Oh, hello everyone. I didn't see you there. My name is Mr. Naslin. Okay, for today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about what we're doing this week. Now, this is the first video of the year. So basically, the whole point of it all is just to introduce you to how it works. I come on, I explain a little bit about what we're talking about this week. I give you a little bit of instruction. That way, we have extra time during our classes to go ahead and focus on practicing what we learn in these videos. Now, for week one, the week that we're on right now, we're going to focus on defending our answers. So, remember, if I ask you, do you like hot dogs or hamburgers better, you need to say to me, I like hot dogs because, and then tell me why. Every time I ask you to give me an answer or tell me your opinion, you have to tell me why that's your opinion. That's going to be super important this year. Almost every question I'm going to ask you, you're going to have to defend. Now, up on the board, we're going to have something called sentence frames. It's basically a framework or an example of how you need to present your answer. So, if I'm going to ask you, did you choose A or B? You need to say, I chose A because I feel that it is the best answer, or however you want to defend your response. That's going to be very important. Also, when you have a question, we're going to work on using our sentence frame to... I'm covered. We're going to work on using our sentence frames to better ask our question. So you're not going to raise your hand in class and say, Mr. Naslin, I don't get it. That doesn't help me know what I need to explain. So you're going to raise your hand, and when I call on you, you're going to say, Mr. Naslin, I don't understand when you say this. Or, Mr. Naslin, could you please slow down? I'm having trouble understanding this. Or, Mr. Naslin, could you please tell me what you mean by this? Make sure we're using proper sentences. Make sure all of our written answers are in full sentences. That's going to be very, very important this year. So every week there's going to be a new video here. Some of them might be longer than this one. Some of them might be shorter than this one. You'll never know. And you'll never know what's in them until you watch them. The important thing is you have to watch it every single week because there's a lot of important information here that you're going to use in class. All right, I think that just about sums it up. That's everything you need to know for this video. Remember, I'm Mr. Naslin. Why is everything so dusty?